Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to use character controller in Unity. Let's start. First of all, we choose our character and add the character controller component. Then we create a script named character. After that, we define the character controller in our code. Then we create a vector tree inside the update method, and this vector takes input of our keyboard. Then we move our character using the CharacterController.move command. We're also adding a speed variable and use it in the move command. Let's try it now. You can set speed of your character as you wish. You can move your character with WASD keys. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.